If you have utilized the screencast to get flash and your screen continues to be gray and continues to say get flash in blue, you are going to take the following steps in order to get flash. Once you have taken those steps, in the upper right hand corner in the search bar, you will see a puzzle piece with a little red attachment to it. When you're going to scroll over that, click it. Once you have clicked that, it is going to ask you to manage your settings. And that's going to be in blue. You're going to click on manage, and then it's going to open up a screen. It will give you it will say at the top, block sites from running flash, and there'll be a gray toggle to the right of it. You are going to move that toggle, slide it to the right to turn it on and make it blue. Once you've done that, you can X out of that tab. You're going to go back to your DSI screen. You're going to again click Get Flash. Once you have click that, you will get a pop-up that says Leave Site. Click on Leave Site and then Allow. Once you have done that, DSI should open up for you.